Hi guys, Scott McFarlane here from Again Real Estate and welcome to 2A Hewlett Packard Street in Reynella East. I've got a great courtyard home. These properties are tough to find at the moment. Beautiful and modern, great sized rooms. Why don't we go inside and check it all out?
Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me.
So there we have it. What a beautiful home. It's a great little spot here, so nice and quiet. And of course, you're so close to Woodcroft Town Centre Shopping Centre, quick trip down the expressway to Marion Shopping Centre, and you've got all the great schools in the area as well. Reynella East High School, Woodcroft Primary. It's a great little spot and one that's really going to be appreciated for all those people looking for a compact, modern courtyard home. My name's Scott McFarlane from Again. Can't wait to see it and open soon.